What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to talk about calls outside of your targeted area. No matter what, you could have the tightest campaign, all the correct settings, everything could be exactly the way it should be according to our best practices, and yet you're still occasionally going to get calls from outside of your desired and targeted location. It tends to happen only with the Google mobile network, not so much with desktop traffic, but what we found is that no matter what, a small percentage of your calls are going to happen from different states, different cities, wherever. Even if you geo-exclude the entire rest of the country. You can show proof to the reps that it came from this IP address. Here's a recording of the call. You could show all sorts of data. Very rarely will you ever get a refund. So you can petition for it, but very rarely will you ever get a refund for that lead. And it's not actually that lead. They would then try to go for the actual click as opposed to the cost per lead. So reality is it's a couple dollars that you may or may not get refunded for, most likely not. And over the years, we've just come to call this the Google tax. It's a part of doing business on the platform. You've got to generate enough leads that you can factor that in. The client's not going to get flooded with it, but it will happen occasionally. So you just got to make sure the client understands that, especially with the mobile targeting, this is going to happen occasionally. We call it the Google tax. It's cost of doing business on the platform. And no matter how hard we try to petition and show proof, they just say it never happened. So for us, we let our clients know about this and that it's going to happen. Then it's just a part of doing business on the platform. So we call that the Google tax. If you have any questions on it, drop a comment below. If you've experienced similar things where your clients are getting calls out of area, I bet it's on the mobile network. And if you have any questions or comments, drop it below. My name's Ed. I'm one of the partners here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. We specialize in lead gen for local businesses. So if you need the phone to ring, give us a shout. I'll drop a link below to our services and also some courses that we sell, teaching Google Ads, landing pages, how to get clients, that kind of stuff. So that's it for today. Just a quick video talking about the Google tax. Have a great day. Bye.